Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money by giving away free gifts. And don't worry, it's all done for you, so you don't have to do anything. Well, actually you need to invest 5 minutes to set up everything, but besides that, you don't need to do anything. And yes, this method is available worldwide, it is beginner friendly, and yes, you can apply this on ClickBank, on Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus and other affiliate networks. And yes, it is 100% free, so you don't have to invest any money. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. I'm here on SimilarWeb, and when I scroll here you will see that last month this website got more than 15 million, almost 16 million visits. And when I scroll here you will see that more than 90% of their traffic is direct traffic and search traffic, which is best kind of traffic. And also when you go on Href authority checker, you will see that this website has domain authority of 72 and 100 is maximum authority, which means this website has a good authority on Google, and that means this website has a good potential for affiliate marketing. Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote, and for that you can use ClickBank, you can use Digital24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use Amazon or some other affiliate network. I like to use ClickBank. Now for this method you don't need to choose the niche because you can promote multiple products from different niches, but it is always the best to choose the niche. Before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also if you subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. So if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I'm in dog niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and click on Home and Garden and then click on Animal Care and Pets. And then I'm going to sort this by gravity because I wish to find products that are selling the best at this moment. And here you can see there is lots of dog related products that I can promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, let me just find it. Brain training for dogs. I already promote this product and I know this is a good product and I can make good money. So let me just open their sales page in the new tab. And this is actually a good sales page, which is really important for us because we wish to convert people that we send to this page, actually to convert as much as we can people that we send to this page into buyers. And that is why it is really important for us sales page to be good. Okay, now I need to promote this product and I need an ebook that I'm going to give away for free. I usually recommend IDPLR because IDPLR will tell you exactly what you can do and what you cannot do with that ebook. But I know that many of you don't have money to pay for IDPLR, so for this example I am going to use a website called Free PLR Downloads. And to find the ebook in your niche, here on the left side in the search bar, just type your main keyword. In this case is dog. So you type dog and click search. And here you can see dog related ebooks. And ideally, I need to find ebook that is related to dog training. So for this purpose, for this video, I will actually choose this ebook here. Dog Diet, the right food for your dog. So I will click on it. Okay, I'll just click here to close the ad. Okay, here you can see title of this ebook, here you can see description of this ebook, and actually you have master resale rights on this ebook. And I need to scroll here on the bottom and click here on download, on this blue download button to download this ebook on my desktop. Just click here and then click OK, and I will save zipped file on my desktop. But how will I make money by giving away this ebook for free? Well, I actually need to add my affiliate link into this ebook. So what I need to do, I need to go on a website called Seido. I believe that is how you pronounce it. And then click here, upload PDF file. And let me just find, this is the folder, and this is the ebook. Double click, give it a few seconds to upload this ebook. And this is the ebook that I downloaded from Free PLR Downloads, as you can see here. So what you need to do next is you need to click Ctrl F on your keyboard. Now this will actually help you to find your main keyword in this ebook. So here on lower left corner you can see a search bar. So here in search bar I will just type, let's say, dog in this case. And as you can see, it highlighted dog in the text here, as you can see. And here you can see 10 matches, which means word dog is actually mentioned 10 times in this ebook. So now I actually need to add my affiliate link to this word here, dog. So what I need to do, I need to go back on ClickBank and click here on promote. And then click here on generate hook links. And then click here for copy. Let me just minimize this. Go back on Sado and I need to click here on links. Click here and now I need to mark this word here and I need to paste affiliate link here. Okay, and press enter and that's it. I added a link to this word here. Now another really useful thing that you can do is you can highlight the word where you added your affiliate link to catch people's eyes, to catch people's attention. In that way you can get even more clicks. And what you need to do, you need to click here on annotate and choose highlight. And let's say I wish to highlight this word here. So let me just, okay, do this and let me just choose the color. So let's say yellow, for example. As you can see, it's yellow now. But let's change it to, let's say red, for example. And it's now red. And you should do that for all the places where you added your affiliate link, for all the words where you added your affiliate link. Because like I said, in that way, you will catch people's attention, you will catch people's eye and get even more clicks. After you finish everything, you added your affiliate links and highlighted the words, all you have to do is just click here on apply changes and click here on download to download it to your desktop. Let me just click here on save, click save, and that's it. I saved this edited ebook on my desktop. Now I always like to check everything before I continue with the promotion, because in case if something doesn't work properly, I can click here on edit and I can re-edit that ebook. I already opened this ebook. Let me just click here and let me find the word that I actually added my affiliate link just to check it out. Let me just scroll through this. Okay, I missed it. Okay, let's just click here to check it out, to see will it take me to the landing page, to the sales page. And as you can see, it took me to the sales page, and here you can see this actually contains my ClickBank affiliate ID, which means this actually works. So now when I prepared everything, now I need to upload this ebook on the website that I showed you on the beginning of the video. And that website is called PDF Drive. PDF Drive is exactly the same like Scribd and SlideShare. So obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register on PDF Drive. Now many people get confused because they cannot see register button. So what you need to do, you need to click here on sign in upper right corner. Click here on sign in. And here you can see create account. Click here on create account. And here you need to add your full name, you need to add your email address, you need to add your password. Click here to confirm that you are not robot. Click sign up and you will need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will register on PDF Drive. After you register, you will come to this page here. And what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on this little arrow and then click here on upload. And then you need to click here on browse to find the ebook that you downloaded from Sado. Let's say this is the ebook. Click on it. And here you need to add title to your ebook. And that title should contain different variations of your keyword. So something like this. Dog diet, the right food for your dog. Train your dog to eat healthy. As you can see, this title contains my keyword. Dog training, dog diet, healthy food for your dog, and so on and so on. And click here to confirm that you are not robot. And then click here on upload, and that's it. You will upload your ebook on PDF Drive. Now PDF Drive will drive some traffic to that ebook, but I always suggest to start promoting that ebook by yourself. And for that you can use related Facebook groups. In this case it is a dog related groups. And you can start sharing that ebook in these groups and people will click on it because you are providing a valuable ebook for free. And they will start using that ebook, they will start reading it, and they will click on your affiliate links. You can also share that ebook in Pinterest. You can also share it on Twitter, and so on and so on. You can share it on Reddit and some other social media websites like Instagram and so on and so on. Another thing that you need to do, you need to upload this ebook on Scribd, on SlideShare and other related websites. PDF hosting websites, because in that way you will get even more people to your ebook, even more people will see the keywords that you highlighted and added your affiliate link, and even more people will click on that highlighted affiliate link, and even more people will buy that product, and you will make even more money. So this is how you do affiliate marketing with no website by driving free traffic. And you can use this method for ClickBank affiliate marketing, Digistore24 affiliate marketing, JVZoo affiliate marketing, and other kinds of affiliate marketing and promotion of your blog, your website, and even your mailing list. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.